Mobile County Public School System teacher accused of giving alcohol to a 4-year-old in court today as the case against her was sent to a grand jury.
WKRG News 5's Christina J. Harris was in the courtroom. And Christina, you learned some new details about the investigation, which for some it was very triggering.
Yeah, 56-year-old Tracy Walker is charged with aggravated child abuse. And as details came out during the testimony, the child's parents became very emotional. A Mobile mother storms out of a courtroom in tears after hearing testimony surrounding the events that investigators say led up to her child being unresponsive when she was picked up from school.
It was kind of overwhelming and exasperating.
On April 28th, 4-year-old Algeria Singleton was picked up by her parents from Collins Road Elementary School in 8 Mile. Her mom says the child was unresponsive. Sheriff deputies say Singleton's blood alcohol content level was 0.286, 3.5 times the legal limit for an adult. Her parents say she had to be hospitalized for 2 days.
I didn't know my baby was going to do all the thing in that classroom, and how she treated my baby. It's just unfair.
An investigator with Child Protective Services took the stand and testified a substitute teacher working alongside Walker that day said that Singleton appeared to be fine up until nap time. The investigator went on to say the child slept longer than normal that day, and when the child woke up, she was constantly tripping over herself. A witness also says Singleton wet herself and was taken to the bathroom by Walker. According to the substitute teacher, she heard sounds of the child being spanked coming from the bathroom.
We didn't know that she was actually physically abused as well. We was just under the impression that it was the drink given, but after the facts was read today from one of the state's witnesses, they read that she was also physically abused in the bathroom.
The investigator says when the child was interviewed, she said Miss Walker gave her a blue drink that made her feel sick.
I think it goes without saying that the facts here are absolutely vile and atrocious. They're horrifying. We entrust teachers with the care of our children, and to see a set of facts like this come across my desk reminds me why we do what we do.
Walker's attorney says she is a special education teacher and that Singleton has an intellectual disability. Walker's attorney says because of this, it's unclear as to what really made the child feel sick.
We feel like the state's case is very weak. They don't have any evidence. Basically, they're relying all on the testimony of a juvenile, which has some issues. I just think the state needs more.
Now, a Mobile man arrested today, Tracy Walker is currently out on bond and she remains employed by the Mobile County Public School System. And she is now on administrative leave, but we're not sure if she will return at any point. For now, live in the studio, I'm Christina J. Harris, WKRG News 5.